Welcome back to Petsacular, where we dive deep into the best products for your furry friends. Today, we're checking out the Natural Balance limited ingredient grain-free salmon and sweet potato dry dog food, a 12-pound bag specially crafted for small breed adults with sensitive stomachs. Whether you're looking to improve your dog's digestion or give them the best nutrients, this food promises a lot of benefits. Let's get into the details. First, let's talk about what's inside this bag. The key feature here is the limited ingredient formula, designed to be gentle on dogs with food sensitivities. It's made with salmon as the first ingredient, which provides high-quality protein, and sweet potato, a great source of fiber and essential vitamins. The formula is also grain-free, which is ideal for dogs with grain allergies or those with sensitive stomachs. Beyond just the basics, it targets several health aspects like digestive health, dental care, hip and joint support, and even heart health. Plus, it's fortified to support skin and coat health, which is great for dogs that need a little extra care in that area. After using this food for a while, I've got to say, it's easy to see why it's a go-to for sensitive stomachs. The kibble is small enough for small breeds, and my dogs seem to love the taste right away. The salmon gives it a nice flavor that's more appealing to picky eaters. On the downside, while the food does a great job of addressing digestive concerns, I did notice my dog's stool wasn't quite as firm as I'd hoped in the early days. It took a little while to adjust, but that's pretty typical with new foods. So be patient if your pet experiences a slight transition period. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The big pros are the high-quality ingredients like real salmon, the grain-free formulation, and the added benefits for joint and heart health. The small kibble size is perfect for small breeds, and it has that limited ingredient appeal for dogs with sensitivities. On the flip side, some dogs might take a little longer to adjust to the food, especially if they have delicate stomachs. And while it covers a lot of health concerns, it's not as tailored to extreme issues like allergies or special conditions. So that's something to consider if your dog has very specific dietary needs. When it comes to value for money, this food sits at a mid-range price point for premium dog food. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for the quality of ingredients and the health benefits it provides, it's worth considering if your dog needs that extra care for their digestion and overall health. If you're looking to spend a little less, you might find some other grain-free options, but they won't necessarily offer the same balance of benefits for heart, skin, and joints that this food does. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the food itself is made to keep freshness intact. There's no funky smell, which is a plus, and the kibble is consistently sized, so you don't get any crumbles. As for longevity, if you're feeding a small dog, the 12-pound bag will last you a little while, especially if you're using it as part of a rotation with other foods. Now, as for customer support, I didn't need to contact the brand directly, but Natural Balance has a strong reputation for good customer service, and their products are trusted by many pet parents. Looking at some alternatives, if you're on a budget but still want something that's good for digestion and skin, you might check out options from Blue Buffalo or Wellness Core. They both offer grain-free formulas at slightly lower prices, but keep in mind they may not match the exact benefits of the Natural Balance formula for sensitive stomachs and joint health. To wrap it up, Natural Balance limited ingredient grain-free salmon and sweet potato dry dog food is a solid choice for small breed adults with sensitive stomachs. Its benefits for digestion, heart care, and overall health make it a good investment if your dog needs extra care. If you're dealing with extreme allergies or a more specialized condition, you might need something more tailored. But for everyday sensitive stomachs, this food does the trick. Is this review useful to you? If so, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other pet parents can find this review too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to the product in the comments box. If you've tried it, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions down below. Until next time, stay positive and keep your pets happy with the best.